And also, this is the second video. As you can see, this smart key blinking. It means PKE is working now. PKE, okay. Now, in the first video, the static current consumption is almost 16 milliamp. Now, I will take the smart key away from this alarm system, and this slim button will be off, and we will check how does it change about this value, about this digital number. Okay. Now I will take the smart key away from this alarm system. I get it back. I take it off. Okay. I take smart key away from this alarm system and this slim button. Now it is on. As you can see, normally PKE is disabled. The steady current consumption is almost 16 milliamp. But you will see this digital will fluctuate, as you can see, and you will zoom the bigger value, almost 29 milliamp, as you can see. Why? Because our system we are searching the smart key. He will search the smart key continuously, so the steady current will become bigger. So you can see 35, 29, 28. So you will now smart key is away from this current system. The steady current consumption will bigger. So if you want to keep the car battery balance, you don't want to last much more battery energy, you can disable PKE. But you don't disable PKE, it doesn't matter too, because 35 is almost a small value. It is not a big value. It is not a big number. 29, as you can see. Okay, PKE, because our system is searching PKE, so this value will change a lot. The biggest value is almost 35. Normally is 20, more than 20, 29, 22, 24, right? Because PKE system is such PKE. Let us write 34, 35, okay. 35 when PKE is enabled, okay. Then we will test GPS module consumption, current consumption. Please wait my third video. Thank you.